Okay, let's see how you can create a high converting chat funnel for your business. Because by creating a high converting chat funnel, you can simply increase your sales or revenue. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to define your goals. So determine what you want to achieve with your chat funnel. That means it means increasing your sales or generating more leads or providing customer support. So you have to first define your goals, and after that you can identify your target audience. So define your ideal customer and understand the pain points and needs. This will help you to create a personalized messaging that resonates with them. So next thing, you have to identify your target audience, and then you have to choose a chat platform. So when it comes to chat funnels, you can implement chat funnels on Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and live chat on your website. So it may be based on your customers. Basically, if your customers are mostly using the Instagram, then Instagram will be a good option. And you also need to see if that particular platform suits your needs and also the budget. So that is how you choose a chat platform. And then you have to develop a conversation flow. That means you have to create a conversation flow that guides the user towards your specific goal. It may be sales or lead generation or just customer support. So this includes asking questions, providing options, and offering solutions to their problems. For example, you can simply have a quiz funnel to qualify the users or solve their problems. So that is just one example of a conversational flow. So in terms of lead generation, or if you are planning to book appointments, you can ask for their so you can actually offer a free consultation in terms of appointment scheduling. So what you can do is you can ask for their name, email, and also try to book them on your calendar for a free consultation. So for that, you have to have a conversation flow, and then you have to use a persuasive messaging. So that means it encourages users to take the action, whatever it's a sales or a lead generation or maybe a customer support. And this could include emotional language and also social proof and also urgency. So by having these kind of three things, emotional language, social proof, and urgency, you can actually increase the number of conversions, or you can achieve more people into your chat funnel. And finally, test and optimize. So what you have to do is you have to continuously test and optimize your chat funnel to improve its effectiveness, and also you have to use metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to track your progress. So basically, let's say you implemented a chat funnel, and after 1 month or maybe like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you have to test and optimize it. You have to look for the metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, such as let's say if after a particular message sent on the chat funnel, if the particular users are not moving forward, you have to analyze on how you can improve it further so you can get more people through your chat funnel. So you have to do those kind of things. So by following all these steps, you can actually create a high converting chat funnel for your business. So if you have any questions regarding this, let me know in the comments. Thank you.